everyone, I am Emir Batuhan Özgenç and this is my EEE212 term project, which is robot street sweeper. It has two main motors for moving and it has another motor for the brush, and it has some sensor in the front to detect nearby objects and move accordingly. And also it has the control panel at the back with an LCD showing the time left and the status of the machine and two buttons to program it. Let's take a closer look to the robot. You can see the sensors and the brush at the front part here. And you can see the freedom board and its stand here. Let's take a look at how the motors work. I have two motor drivers to step up the voltage from the 3.3 volt provided by freedom board to 9 volt connected with a battery to power up the motors. Both motors are connected with two pins to the motor drivers and then connected to the freedom board itself. With all these connections, the motors can drive forward or backwards, which we can use to turn left and right, or go back. Now let's program the robot. The right button adds 1 minute to its timer. When I press the left one, it starts sweeping. When it sees the obstacle, it rotates. When the time ends, it automatically stops, and also we can stop it using the left button. When sensors see an obstacle in the left, the robot rotates right, and when it sees from the right, the robot rotates left. And when it hits something, this switch is triggered and robot moves back and continues its action normally. Now let's see how the robot behaves with real obstacles instead of my hand. As you can see, when the robot sees the wall, it sweeps next to it and doesn't hit.